Wait, you gotta move up further. Move up a little bit. Yeah, thank you, thank you. We're gonna get wet. Oh no! I think we're too... Hey, I don't want to do this. I want to get out. I'm getting out. I'm gonna swim back. You guys go out without me. I can't do it. It's too scary. I'm peeing my pants. I gotta turn around. Oh wait, I can't move. This is too scary. Oh no! This one's too heavy. Oh no, it's... Oh, we're gonna fall down. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. I don't want to do it anymore. I think... It wasn't that bad. We survived. Hey, are you guys scared? Did you get wet? No, are you okay? Hey, no, are you okay? Oh no, this one's bigger? I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, too scary. Oh, it doesn't feel safe. It doesn't feel safe. Oh, we're gonna, I don't like it. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my goodness gracious. Wait, I'm getting out. I don't want to do it. I don't want to get out. No. No. Oh, that was terrible. That was